What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Salt in the Sea by the Lumineers. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'll backflip kick you in the back of the neck. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, so this song is in standard tuning and you're going to capo up to 4. I'm pretty sure the original song is tuned, I think the original way they're playing it, the guitar is tuned like a whole step down or something like that, I want to say. I like playing it this way. I don't like tuning my guitar crazy like that. So we're going to capo up to the 4th fret in standard tuning. You're using a few different chords. So the chords that you're going to want to know are going to be A minor, which is 002210. Then you're going to want to do F, 133211. And then you're going to want to do D major, which is 000232. The next thing you're going to want to know for the song is the structure. So you're starting off with the intro, verse 1, verse 2, chorus, back to the intro for a second, verse 3, chorus, and then outro. Now luckily most of these are very simple, they're very similar to each other. For your intro, all you're doing is alternating between your A minor and your F with a down up 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 down up. Alright, so that is your intro. It's played in the very beginning and after your first chorus. Your verses are very, very similar to that in that you're playing that exact same thing twice, and then you're going to throw, for your first verse, the second verse and third verse are identical, but the first verse is slightly different than both of those. So, A minor, F, A minor, F, then you go to D, same strumming pattern, and then you go to F. So all together it looks like this. Now, like I said, that's the first verse. The second and third verse are identical and they're very, very similar. Still doing the same A minor, F twice, A minor, F, and you're still gonna go to D, but you're gonna play D, F half as long, but you're doing it twice. So it looks like this. So after A minor and F, you're on F. Still going to D. But it's half as long, but it's twice. Now, like I said, verse 2 and verse 3, identical. I'll play the whole thing one time through so you can see what it looks like. Alright, so those are your intro and your verses. Now your chorus is going to be A minor, F, D, and then on Salt in the Sea, they're just playing F. So it looks like same strumming pattern. Just stay on the D twice as long as the A minor and the F. And when the salt and the C comes up, they're just staying on F through that entire line. So, and both choruses are identical, I think, or they're played identically, but the second chorus is a little bit longer. I want to say the salt and the C line goes twice. Again, you just stay on that F chord for both of those, but the chord progression is the same until the salt and the C line comes. So yeah, those both choruses play the exact same way, just the second chorus is a little bit longer, so I'll show you what it looks like. So that's your verses, chorus, intro. Finally, we're going to cover the outro. Same strumming pattern. You're staying on all these chords the same length of time. You're going A minor, F, D, F, and then just A minor, F, A minor, F, and then you end on an A minor. So I'm going to play through the whole thing right now, the entire outro. I'm going to play through the whole thing right now so you can see what it looks like. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.